Hey everyone, welcome back. So today in this video I will show you how we can create unlimited numbers of Gmail account, and that is also without verifying the contact number. And the best thing is that this is completely free and secure to use. Alright, so let's see how we can do this. So for that, first of all you have to go to the Google Chrome, and here you have to search Google Cloud Scale Boost. Okay, then click enter. After that, here you can see the first link, that is Google Cloud Skills Boost, right? So just click on this and make it open. After that, you will get this type of page over here. Okay, then click on this sign in button and sign in with any Google account. All right, then click on this I am not a robot. Okay, then select the bicycle here, then verify. Okay, then I accept, and after that click on this get started. All right, so congratulations, you have successfully created an account in Google Cloud Skill Boost. Alright. After that, click on this Explore tab. Alright. Then scroll down, and here you can see a options called as the format, right? So just expand it. Then select lab instead of any format. Okay. So just click on this. So it will take 5 to 10 seconds to process. Alright. So it's done. Right. And then you will get a link over here, that is a tour of Google Cloud hands-on lab, right? So just click on this and make it open. So this is the place where we can get unlimited numbers of Gmail account, and that is completely free of cost. Okay, so here we can see we have the options called as the start lab, right? And in the right side you can see the timing, right? It means whatever Gmail that we can create by clicking on the start lab, that is valid for 45 minutes. Okay, so just click on this start lab tab, then click on this I am not a robot. All right, and it will generate a Gmail account for you. So here you can see this is the username of your Gmail account, and this is the password. All right, and here you can see the time has already been started, correct? So just copy this email account. Okay, right click on it, then copy, then go to your YouTube account, and here just click on this sign in button. All right, and then just paste the email that you have copied from that website. Okay, then click on next. Then for password you have to again go to here, then you have to select this password. Okay, then you have to copy it. All right, then go to again YouTube, then here just paste that password. All right, then click on next, then click I understood. So just click here, and here you can see this is the email account that we have copied from this website, right? And by the help of this account you can subscribe to any number of YouTube channel, and apart from that you can also use this email account anywhere wherever you want. Okay, but remember this is valid only for 45 minutes. Okay, so we have only 40 minutes left, right? So whenever your work is done with the help of this email account, what you have to do again, you have to come to this account, then click on this end lab. All right, then click on submit. Okay, then click cancel. Okay, so now to get a new email account, just click on this start lab again. Okay, then click on I am not a robot, then select the crosswalks. Okay, here it is, then click on verify. Okay, after that here you can see it has already generated a new email account for you. Okay, and this is the password, this is the username, and this is the password, right? So just use it wherever you want, and then after completion of your work just click on end lab. Okay, then click on submit. All right, then again click on cancel, and do the same thing again and again to get the unlimited numbers of email account. All right, so in this way we can create unlimited numbers of Gmail account with free of cost. All right, so thanks for watching.